Plex for 2 months. Okay, that's 1 of 10. Let's play g6, bishop g7. Is this live? Yes, it is live. I hope one day you'll sign my blender. Yes, maybe. Oh no, my queen. Indeed, it goes to h4. I'm gonna play h5 to stop this. Probably I'll play c6 d5 maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go c6 d5 here and then knight f6. Exactly, so that's the plan. Let's go d5 here. If e5, I'll probably play knight h6. I can still play knight h6. I can even just take and play knight f6 here. Maybe keep it simple. Take with the pawn. Knight d7, maybe b5. I'll take with the juicer. Queen d2. Okay, let's go bishop. Oh, bishop e6 is probably a bad move, but goes c4. Okay, so I castle, of course. If he castles queenside, I have b5 here. Goes knight f4. Let's play rook e8 so I can take with the rook. He castles, which I'm actually a little bit surprised by. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so wait, first of all, I have b5 here, but then he can take on e6. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the bishop back, play knight d7, knight f8, maybe it goes king b1. I gotta try to open up the queen side here with b5. Knight d7 and knight f8 looks completely reasonable here. He could sack, but I think after takes and knight f8 I should be fine here. I'm versing against Heisenberg. Yes, indeed I am. Now this is a move. First of all, I can take on c4. Secondly, I can take on g4. I do have to be careful how I do this. h6, bishop 8, bishop f8, bishop h7, king h8. Oh, it's a little bit scary here. I do need to think for a second. If I play fe3, I think I have to take, though. This much is clear. If I play g5, h6, bishop h8, it's not completely clear. This is also quite scary too. I could play knight f8 here to try and hold. I could also take on c4. I could also play rook e3. Okay, if I go g5, h6, gf4, bishop h7, doesn't look right. I think I have to go g5 and probably bishop h8. If h7, just king f8. I mean, this looks very scary, but I don't see a way for white to win on the spot. So hopefully I'm not losing here. I very easily could be 3,300 tonight. It's possible. I would say, as always, it's fairly unlikely just because I'm gonna have to win a lot of games in a row, but it's still fun to play. Thanks so much to Hikaru for the win, for the gifted sub to Chess for Hikaru. Thank you so much. Ads, well, I do apologize, you guys, but right now at least we are streaming here on Twitch, so that's just how it goes. Probably here I should have taken and played bishop f5. You go check. Does this actually work? I didn't think it did. I actually missed knight g6. Maybe it's okay, maybe not. I can just take back. I also have knight f8 and king d7. Kind of unlikely that this works for my opponent, but maybe it does. We'll see. I mean, I have knight f8 here to hit the queen. I have bishop e6 to cover my king, and the bishop is hanging on g5. 1 month ago it looked impossible, and Danny came up with this idea to adopt 2900 elo to pump. That's not exactly rocket science or news. Daniel, of course, I think his rating is well down right now. Yes, 3217. Okay, I'm gonna block with the bishop here. Bishop holds f6. The bishop, both bishops are under attack, so I think I'm okay, but I don't know. Bro, 5 ads hurts. I can feel my brain losing. I can lose brain cells. That's just life. Okay, goes queen g8. So wait, so if I go king d7 or king d6 is a question. I think I just go here to hit the bishop, because now if he goes bishop f5, I just take. If he takes, I just take, or take and take. Actually, why did I play king e7? That was maybe a mistake. Although wait, takes, rook e7. I can also take on g5 though. Wait, if I take on g5, he moves the bishop back. I think I just take. Oh, I missed d5 too. Whoops. Okay, but I can take.
Hello, my man. Thank you for the continued entertainment.
No, I actually might have blundered this. Yikes. This feels very bad. Let's go here. Could have taken h7. I should have taken it.
Just subscribed. Hiya.
Do I have king d6? No. Do I have king e8? Yes. So I have to take and take and go here. Nah, I misplayed this. I do have check. Go here and I have rook e2 maybe. Check. No, I'm losing. Okay, I gotta move fast. There we go. We get the win. Let's go. Let's go. Big dubs. Let's go. Thank you.